Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video we are going to learn how to choose the right template on Snappa. To choose the right template on Snappa, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your account. From the dashboard, select the template here. Or you can also click on create a graphic. You need to add the width and the height of your graphic. And click on create button. Snappa organizes template into categories such as social media, blogs, graphics, ads, headers and more. Choose the category that best matches your need, or you can also create a custom design like this. Choose the template that aligns with a specific purpose. For example, you can choose the template for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or etc. For blog-specific template if you need image for the blog. You can also find headers, banners and profile pages templates from here. Here, use ad template for paid ad campaign on social media or websites. Hover over the template to see the preview or click onto it to view it in more detail. Once you have found the template that matches your requirement, click on it to start customizing. After selecting a template, you can personalize it by editing the text, changing colors, adding images or adjusting the layout to suit your branding and message. Following these steps will help you pick a Snappa template that best fits your design objective. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.